First question. Pre-show ritual.
Praise.
Okay. Worst nightmare. Forgetting lyrics or the mic dies mid-high note.
It depends on who actually is doing what. Now, forgetting lyrics and suddenly the mic dying, it could be the vocalist.
Alright, okay. You get one superpower on stage. What it will be?
और फ्लाइज आप माइकल जैक्सन बन के साथ
If I say perfect pitch or always or never get stage fright. Your superpower.
never get a
Never get
stage
stage
fright.
fright.
Alright. Crowd energy, how it is?
Oh, it's contagious.
Alright. Your outfit choice. Outfit choice. Look iconic but super uncomfortable. Or plan but you can move freely.
Plan, but you can move freely.
I knew you would say that. Alright. Okay. One song, encore song. The crowd favorite or the one you love the most. Which one you all will go for?
The crowd favorite.
Crowd favorite.
Okay. Post show. What you all do?
We hug each other. That a job well done. Then we eat and then we, we're together.
Alright. Sid, if you mess up.
Say something else.
Say something else, cover it up.
Okay. One thing you would ban from a live shows.
Pyrotechnics, those, yeah.
Alright. Okay. Now choose texts or calls. Text or calls.
Depending who's calling me.
Okay. Lincoln, go to karaoke song when you're forced to pick.
I will survive.
You have 3 hours free. What would you do? All of you. Start from Sid.
Practice, take classes. Drums.
Anjali,
Sleep so I get a song.
Sandy,
Eat, drink and sleep.
Pray that Anthony sleeps.
Lincoln.
Pray that Fraser plays, Anthony sleeps.
Most used emoji on your keyboard right now.
Heart.
Okay. Your brains runs better on.
After eating.
Last thing you googled without thinking.
Some kind of lyric.
Some kind.
Yeah.
Alright. This or that. Practice. Day or night.
Night.
Stage. Big crowd or small crowd.
Both.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't
Both.
matter.
Alright. Okay. Songs. Fast or slow.
Both.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Now tell me something. Your tour bus or van. How does it smell? Or your car.
Expensive perfumes. Very expensive perfume.
Is it?
We all are into perfumes now. Thanks to Sandy.
Alright. Okay. Your set list. Old songs or new ones.
Mix.
Sound. Loud or clean.
Clean, definitely.
After show. Food or sleep.
Food.
Write music together or alone.
Depends.
Depends.
You write and your wife listens, right?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Late to practice. Drummer or the singer?
Singer. Because the drummer has to come before that because he has to set up his drums. Otherwise, there's no practice. So the singer would possibly be late.
Okay. Break a string. Mid solo or mid tune up? When does it happen?
If you answer.
No. I have experienced mostly mid solos. Tune up, nothing goes wrong.
Never broken a string with links. Touch wood.
Okay. Your fan gift. Was it a weird drawing or something else?
Something else.
Oh, you don't want to disclose it?
All our gifts.
Oh, wow.
People ask me why I have them. It's all given to me. Even the
Wow,
bracelets.
nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for the fans, man. Alright, okay. How is the sound check? How does it be?
In which way?
Anyway, you want to explain it?
Well, if the stage is not ready, it's tedious. You wait longer. But if the stage is ready, it's awesome. You just come there, do your job, and wait for your time to begin.
Alright, verse to forget. Your lyrics or your pants?
Pants.
Bass player, actually there or he said he's on his way?
Actually there. Actually.
Okay, encore. One more song or we are done. Please leave. What would you choose?
One more
One
song.
more song.
Alright, okay. Well done, man. Well